And we are running the silo machine today. It's the first trial testing. So this line in front of us, the capacity is about 2.5 millimeter. And here is the arc bending. In this line, we have combined the decoller, forming, punch, and arc bending. And here is the arc bending device. And this is kind of the single or cantilever punch, which is good for the connector punch. Here is good for the connecting horse. And this is the forming machine. The ribs of the corrugation panel is about 14 millimeter, and it's combined about 18 rolling stations plus one station for clap feeding. This place is good for cutting the edge of the strip. And this is the decoller. Somehow we just use it for testing, for trial testing. And this is the other side. The first rolling station is good for feeding, and this is good for slitting. This blade is good for slitting. So this is the strip collector, or we call it like a train collector. This is the rolling station. And in the forming machine, we have applied for servo motor. And here is good for punch. This is kind of co-pulling punch. The benefit is about those kind of the punch is programmable in the system. It's something like this. A lot of needle. The needle will help to make the connector horse. Okay. And it will make punch while do the and this is again 3 roller arc bending. And we also upgrade in this system to be a servo driven. Here's the cutter. It's still under programming test. Just keep stay with us, and we will run in the line soon. Right now we're gonna feed the coil sheet for trial testing. The material is 1.0 thickness. Thickness of the plate is 1 millimeter. The machine capacity is up to 2.5 millimeter. The coil width is 1250 millimeter. And they're trying to set the coil sheet into central line. the coil width is 1265. Actually, we need it to be 1250. Once the coil sheet is wider than the required, we use this sliter to cut the edge. But for this trial testing, the operator said, okay, let it be. So, okay, just let's go ahead.